Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete all of your posts on Facebook. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Now to delete all of your posts on Facebook, what you first need to do is go on your Facebook profile. Now remember this, if you delete all your posts, literally every single thing which is posted on your Facebook like this over here is going to be removed and you cannot recover them. So if you're okay with that, then follow the steps. First thing first, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in the menu section of your Facebook, you want to click on your Facebook name at the top. Mine says Witchy Kevin. I'm going to click on that. Now once you're in your Facebook profile, right beside your profile you can see the three dot. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to your profile setting. And on your profile setting, you can see this option called activity log. You want to click on activity log. Once you click on activity log, you can see this first option where it says your post. And right below your post, you can see manage your post option. Click on it and it's going to bring you over here. Now once you're over here, you can see this option called all. You want to click on all and every single post you have posted on Facebook will be chosen. Now just click on trash and click on continue, and basically every single post of your Facebook is going to be transferred to trash. And once it is transferred to trash, you can again click on all and click on versus the three dot at the side at the bottom of your screen. Click on delete. Once you do that, every single post of your Facebook will be deleted permanently. You cannot recover them. So that's how you guys can delete all of your Facebook posts all at once. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.